In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva map animation tutorial from beginner to pro in minutes. We'll build a clean professional map animation from scratch. Then polish it so it looks smooth and cinematic. I'll guide you through each move so you understand not only what to click, but why it matters for a polished result. Start by opening a new project in Canva and choosing a 16:9 video format. This widescreen size is the standard for YouTube, presentations, and most social platforms, so your animation will fit neatly without awkward cropping. If you see multiple video presets, pick the basic 1920 by 1080 option for crisp quality. Next, add your map. In the Elements tab, search for terms like World Map or Map with Country. Select a clean high-contrast design so your icons and paths will be easy to see. Set the map as the background by dragging it to fill the canvas until it snaps into place. Or use the background option if it appears. Adjust colors if available for better readability and brand consistency. Duplicate the page to set up the zoom. On the second page, enlarge the map to focus on a specific location. Use the corner handles to scale up while keeping the point of interest near the center. Nudge the map left or right to fine-tune the framing. The idea is to create a clear intentional move from a wide view to a close-up without cutting off important details. Add your travel elements. Drop in a car or airplane icon from Elements, then size and recolor it to stand out against the map. Open the Animate controls and use Create an Animation to record a custom path. Click and drag the icon along the route you want to show. Keep the path smooth and deliberate. And end it on your destination. If needed, place the icon behind or above other items using the position controls so it sits naturally on the map. Now add the transition. Between the two pages, click the plus icon and choose Match and Move. This transition analyzes the shared elements on both pages and creates a seamless movement between them, which is perfect for map zooms and pans. Finally, adjust the timing. Set the match and move duration to the maximum for a slow, cinematic zoom. A longer duration gives your audience time to follow the motion and read the visual story clearly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.